हेलो, अरे आप आ गए। लेट्स सी व्हाट आई हैव गॉट यू फॉर टुडे। क्या लेके आई हूँ मैं आज आप सबके लिए। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अ वेरी ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक, yet very unknown also, I would like to say, because many of the peoples just aware about its very few things. They are not even going into depth of it, or they are not even going into the details of that thing. So what is it? Any guesses? So today we are going to discuss about phonics. What does phonics means? So phonics is all about the science of reading. Now what reading? The language also matters, na? So phonics can be for any language. There's no limitation कि phonics आपका सिर्फ English में होता है. Nothing like that. Phonics can be in Marathi, phonics can be in Hindi, phonics can be in English, in any language, any other language also. And most of these days we are watching कि most of the schools also started phonics classes as a part of their curriculum. But इनमें होता क्या है and ये बच्चों ने क्यों करना चाहिए? That's what I'm going to tell you today. So phonics ये एक ऐसा साइंस है जो बच्चों की अर्ली एज में अगर सिखाया जाए तो it will be the best part for them. Ask me how? So अगर आप बच्चों को साइंटिफिकली स्टडी करते हैं तो अर्ली एज इज द बेस्ट एज फॉर लर्निंग एनी लैंग्वेज. ट्रस्ट मी, एनी लैंग्वेज. द चाइल्ड कैन लर्न more than 2-3 languages at a time in that specific age. So अगर बच्चा एज 5 से एज 8 या एज 5 से एज 10 के बीच में या 12 तक अगर वो phonics सीख रहा है तो that will be the best part for the child. And how this phonics acts. Now, in the school what happens is teacher teaches the sounds and then kids do the practice as a chorus. Together practice करते हैं, words read करते हैं. But majorly जहाँ पर भी आप phonics देखने जाएंगे, this part will be limited towards reading only. However, we put 2 advantages for it. When it comes to Tarpan Academy, as you all know, we are always trying to give something extra, something more and beneficial to all our parents. And similarly is about phonics as well with us. हम लोग जो हमारे यहाँ पर phonics करवाते हैं sorry, it is based on 2 things. First is reading part, which is the major part, जहाँ पर बच्चों को हम लोग sounds सिखाते हैं. We take the individual reading and then child start reading those sounds, that is reading. In second part, we also work on writing. But how do we work on writing? Curious? I know you are. But this I'm not going to tell you now. I'll put that for the next video. See you again in my next video. Once again, bye-bye.